Hello guys! Mag-unboxing ako guys. This is a Centec Digital Stainless Steel Shipping Postal Scale. This is a scale. So we got this from Harbor Freight. So meron siyang 110 pounds capacity with 3 modes. Ayan. So sabi pa dito, this is very accurate daw. Ayan, ayan yung picture. Galing ko sa Harbor Freight. Be careful, be careful. Ayan. Na siya manual. Owner's manual and safety instruction. Ayan. It has 3 modes. So, ito yung kanyang charger. Oh, ito nga yung... Julio! Excuse me, please. Ito yung kanyang charger, guys. Ayan. Included. Excuse me, please. Sorry, guys. Julio is here with me. Ayan. It has 3 modes. Ayan. So, dito natin isasaksak yata ito siya. Ito. Ayan. Meron siyang. Ayan. It has 3 modes. Ayan, guys. Ito yung scale. Kasi, ano siya. What you have? No. Those are the paper. Ayan. Kasi maganda to siya. I-scale mo yung ano, yung titimbangin mo yung suitcase, yung papunta sa ano, sa Pilipinas. Kaya sabi nila, accurate daw ni siya. It has 3 modes. Ayan. Tapos ito yung power, tear, mode, hold. Ayan. Tapos, I think this one here. Ito nga yung charger. Ayan, guys. This is Centec Stainless Postal Shipping Scale. Ayan. Ito yung charger niya. It has 3 modes. Guys, thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.